We watch TikTok videos every day, but we don't get any money for watching videos there. Today, I will show you how to earn money by watching TikTok videos. It is possible to earn a lot of money from TikTok every day. Watch the video till the end and subscribe the channel for more such videos. The link of this site is given in the pinned comment of this video. By clicking on the link, you will directly come to the homepage of the site. This site is a Russian site. People from all over the world can work on this site. So first we need to translate this site because the homepage of the site is in Russian. First click on three dot, then click on translate and translate the page to English. Then click on main menu, then click on registration. And enter username, email, and password here, then click register. Then a page like this will appear. Here you have to click on add account. Here, with your TikTok username, click on find an account. Here your TikTok profile will show. Then click on yes, add this account. Then you can see the page like this. Then click on main menu. Here you can see your profile. You can see my profile has some balance. So I am showing you how to withdraw first. So click on withdrawal of funds for this. You can see your balance here. Then look here. There are many ways to withdraw. You can withdraw through Perfect Money, Web Money. The minimum withdrawal here is 500 coin. If you have 500 coin, you can withdraw from here. So to work here, you have to click on the main menu. Then click on My Office. So to work, click on Go Task here. Like subscribe and get points here. You can convert those points into dollars. So if you are working on mobile, then click on Execute. And if you are working on a computer, then click on Via Browser. It is possible to earn $100 per day from here. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel.